Hi, this is CKnappenberger, and this is my Module 1 for EDL 852, my introduction video. So just looking at some of my background, my professional background, I'm the 8th grade language arts teacher at David E. Owens Middle School in New Milford, New Jersey. I'm one of the 8th grade language arts teachers. I've been in the classroom for about 11 years. Prior to teaching 8th grade language arts, I taught special education and I taught social studies for middle school as well. I have been in this position for about 5 years, teaching just 8th grade with honors language arts. I've also taught in-class support as the general education teacher and the special education teacher in 8th grade. And I love my position, I love where I'm at, and I love the building that I'm in. My personal life, I have a 1.5-year-old son named Warren, and also I'm married to my husband, Chris, my college sweetheart, for the last 4 years. Some of my supervisory experience inside my building, like I said, I've been there for a long time. So I've been the 8th grade team leader for the last 8 years. I've also been the language arts department liaison between administration and my department, as well as being the liaison between myself and district administration for the language arts department at the middle school. I've been a formal mentor for new teachers. Presently, I serve actually as the administrative fill-in for the INRS committee, intervention and referral services for students who are referred to us by teachers looking for special education services. I've been on the hiring and interview committee for new teachers in the building, the teacher leader committee that goes along with being a team leader, but also being a teacher leader in the building. We meet together twice a month to discuss certain things inside the building. And then my last 2 pieces of experience come from dealing with our future leaders that are in our building, our students. So I am the student council advisor as well as the National Junior Honor Society advisor at the middle school. Why do I want to become a principal? There's a few reasons why I really want to become a principal. I have experienced positive leadership in my career. I've seen what a positive leader can do for a building and what they can do also for the community at large. And I really would like to have that positive influence on a community. I would love to counteract toxic leadership. I've seen what a toxic leader can do to a building, intentionally, unintentionally, and kind of the negative things that occur because of it. So I'd like to be a leader that can counteract some of that toxic leadership that's out there. I'd also like to expand my career, influence the entire school. I know I have a lot of leadership positions inside my school, which has been great for bringing, my ideas to the table and sharing them with the community, but I would really like to have that influence over an entire school. I really think that I could do a nice job with that. Also, the community. I love the idea of being a part of a community and creating a community within my building. So I really am interested in kind of doing that, and that is another reason why I'd like to be a principal. Good luck to everyone. I'm excited to work with everyone this semester. I've been really loving this program, and I'm excited to be able to work with everyone moving forward.